What you're about to see is a real YouTube ad for a real Northern Virginia business. She said he needed to get rid of his he shed so that she could build a she shed in the backyard of their Fairfax home. He said, "How in the world am I going to do that?" And she said, "Call 911 Junk Out," which he did. And the entire shed was disassembled and hauled away in less than an hour. If you need junk removed from your residential or commercial property for any reason, 911 Junk Out is licensed and insured to haul, donate, recycle, and dispose of your junk quickly and professionally in Maryland, D.C., and Virginia. What you have just seen is a real YouTube ad for 911 Junk Out of Burke, Virginia. But it could have been an ad for your Northern Virginia business. I'm Frank Felker from Digital Media Positioning in Alexandria, and I approve this message. YouTube advertising combines the precision targeting of the Google ad platform with the power of video messaging to allow you to dramatically elevate your brand recognition in your most lucrative target neighborhoods at a very low cost. If you'd like to find out how to make your local business zip code famous using the power of YouTube advertising, give me a call at the number on your screen right now. On the other hand, if you'd like to get rid of that old shed, well, you know what to do.